Okay, some pressure cuts. Keep more head. Stay in my frame. 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 Walk it back. Alright guys, let's go kick off the workout for today. Like I said, I didn't get signed, I didn't get picked up, invited to the rookie mini camp, nothing like that, but it's alright. We're gonna keep working, we're gonna keep getting better. I'm gonna show y'all how to get better. So we're gonna keep going, we're gonna keep climbing. Let's get it, baby, let's go. Also, if you're running back out there and you like exactly what I just did and you want something similar, where a step-by-step guide on how you can improve, get better, not only physically but mentally, where I break down the game to you. I teach you how to improve your balance, speed, stability, and make you a complete back to where you're unstoppable next year. Hey, book a call and see if you want to join our Running Back Domination program. Top program out there for backs. We'll turn you into a freak, we'll turn you into a beast. If you're interested in that, let's book a strategy call, see if I can help you out. Alright, and make sure you do it fast because we only take 5 to 6 running backs at a time. It's a selective circle because I only want to take guys who are serious, who are really about getting better. So if that sounds like you, then get to it, baby. Let's go.